What do you do when your garage door won't close when leaving the house? I'll show you 2 ways you can close the door right now so you can get on your way. Then I'll show you potential issues to check on when you have more time to look into this problem. The first thing you can do to close the garage door is to press and hold the main button on the wall. This will override the safety stop as long as the motor has power. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is detach the door from the motor by pulling on the emergency release cord on the track. You'll now be able to manually roll the door down. At this point, you can get on your way to work or wherever you need to go. But here are the possible issues why the garage door won't close. First, check the safety sensors, especially the lenses with the electric eye. Clear out any debris blocking the beam. Then check the wiring to see if everything is still connected. Also check the wires up at the motor. Recently, at a friend's house, somehow one of the wires got knocked loose, which prevented the door from closing. These wires are very thin and it doesn't take much for something to happen to them. And finally, there's one more issue that seems like an unlikely problem. LED bulbs can actually interfere with wireless remotes, so I suggest only using regular incandescent bulbs in a garage door opener. The main reason is that LED bulbs emit frequencies that block the remote signal. But not all LED bulbs cause problems. If you want to use LED bulbs, you may have to try different brands to find the one that works. After checking everything I've shown you, you should be able to now close your garage door. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.